CoinSpot Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to CoinSpot are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its key features, who it's best suited for, and whether it's a solid choice for crypto investors. CoinSpot is one of Australia's most popular and trusted cryptocurrency exchanges, launched in 2013 and regulated by AUSTRAC. It's best known for its beginner-friendly interface, wide range of supported assets, and strong security measures. With over 400 cryptocurrencies available, it offers one of the largest selections in Australia, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced investors looking for variety. One of its standout features is the instant buy and sell option, allowing users to purchase crypto directly with AUD. This is convenient, but comes with a 1% fee, higher than the market average. For lower fees, users can trade through the market orders system, which reduces costs to 0.1% per trade. CoinSpot also offers bundles, enabling users to buy multiple assets in a single transaction, great for diversification. Security is a major focus, with two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for most funds, and ISO 27001 certification, making it one of the most secure exchanges in Australia. Additionally, it supports direct odd deposits via bank transfer, Pioli, PayID, and BPay, though credit and debit card purchases are not available. For those interested in passive income, CoinSpot offers staking on a selection of cryptocurrencies, allowing users to earn rewards over time. It also provides an NFT marketplace, making it easy to buy and sell digital assets directly through the platform. A potential downside is that CoinSpot is limited to spot trading only. There are no margin or futures trading options, making it less suitable for high-risk traders. However, for those prioritizing security, ease of use, and a broad asset selection, it remains a top choice. Overall, CoinSpot is perfect for Australian investors looking for a secure, beginner-friendly platform with a large variety of cryptocurrencies and staking options. If you're interested, check out the links in the description to get started.